Welcome to Unbeatable Price Today, your source for internet's top product reviews and their official websites. In this comprehensive CORTEXI review, we'll delve into this extraordinary solution for hearing support and cognitive function. If you're ready to boost your hearing and cognitive abilities with CORTEXI, simply click the link in the video description below to access the official CORTEXI website. There, you'll find all the additional information you need and an easy way to place your order. So, what exactly is CORTEXI, and how can it benefit you? CORTEXI is a natural dietary supplement meticulously crafted to support healthy hearing and cognitive function. Its distinct formula harmonizes natural plant ingredients and vital minerals, promoting improved blood circulation, oxygenation to the brain and ears, safeguarding auditory cells, and boosting memory and mental clarity. CORTEXI's prowess lies in its 100% natural formula, blending scientifically proven ingredients sourced globally for maximum synergy. Each drop of CORTEXI houses over 20 carefully selected components, including Gymnema Sylvestre, Capsicum Annuum, Panax Ginseng, Astragalus, Chromium Picolinate, and Maca Root. Scientifically validated, these ingredients combat inflammation and oxidative stress, major contributors to hearing loss and cognitive decline. With consistent use, CORTEXI aims to enhance hearing sensitivity, alleviate tinnitus, and bolster overall brain health. But is CORTEXI only for individuals with hearing issues? Not at all. CORTEXI hearing support formula caters to adults of all ages, whether facing hearing loss, dealing with tinnitus, or simply seeking to maintain peak cognitive function. It's particularly beneficial for those exposed to prolonged loud noises, individuals in the aging process, or those with circulation concerns. Even if you aim to boost cognitive prowess and memory retention, CORTEXI can be your trusted ally. When can you expect to see results? For optimal results, it's crucial to use CORTEXI consistently over an extended period. While individual experiences may vary, many users report positive changes within the first week. However, the most pronounced results typically emerge after using CORTEXI consistently for 3 months or longer. That's why we recommend considering the 3 or 6 bottle discount packages, which not only provide significant discounts but also include 2 valuable bonuses, here like a pro and powerful ways to sharpen your memory. Plus, enjoy free US shipping with both package options, making your journey to enhanced hearing and cognitive function even more convenient. Concerned about quality and guarantees? CORTEXI is proudly manufactured in the United States in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility, ensuring the highest quality and safety standards. And for your peace of mind, CORTEXI comes with a 100% money-back guarantee that lasts for 60 days. Yes, that's right, 60 days. If, for any reason, you're not satisfied with the results, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. How should you take CORTEXI for the best results? It's straightforward. Take 1 dropper in the morning before breakfast and another before lunch. You can place it under your tongue, dissolve it in a glass of water, or mix it into natural juice. 1 full dropper contains approximately 15 drops of liquid. To guarantee ingredient purity, always purchase CORTEXI from the official website. Your order will be swiftly delivered to your doorstep by premium carriers such as FedEx or UPS. Orders are typically processed within 24 working hours, and you'll receive a tracking number via email. Domestic orders usually arrive within 5 to 10 days. In conclusion, CORTEXI hearing support formula is your natural ally for enhancing hearing and cognitive function. With its unique blend of natural ingredients and minerals, CORTEXI can improve hearing sensitivity, alleviate tinnitus, and boost overall brain health with consistent use. Plus, there's no risk involved, thanks to CORTEXI's 60-day money-back guarantee. For optimal results, commit to a 3-month regimen or longer. Purchase CORTEXI from the official website to ensure ingredient purity and prompt delivery. Don't miss this chance to unlock the benefits of CORTEXI and support healthy hearing and cognitive function. Click the link below to purchase from the official website, conveniently provided in the video description. Improve your overall brain health with CORTEXI today. Take advantage of the discount packages, including 2 bonus products, here like a pro and powerful ways to sharpen your memory. Remember, CORTEXI's 60-day money-back guarantee means you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Click below and start your journey to enhanced hearing and cognitive function now. And for more insightful reviews and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Stay connected with Unbeatable Price today for in-depth product reviews and direct access to official websites.